think that's one of the reasons why gallows humor that soldiers use when they're away. I was talking to this British SAS guy, and he got one of his teammates got friendly fired in the ass by a misfire from someone's handgun, and they're in the middle of a firefight, surrounded by enemy combatants. They're now going to have to get this guy out of there. That guy's not going to be able to fight anymore. They're going to have to sub someone in for the team. Maybe this means that everybody... Blah, 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 blah. Everyone just started laughing. It's like, for fuck's sake! Everyone laughed.